In the frozen wastelands of Harbin, Manchuria, a quiet complex once stood, disguised as a water purification plant. Inside, it was anything but clean. This was Unit 731, Imperial Japan's most secret and horrific biological warfare program during World War II. Led by General Shiro Ishii, the facility promised scientific progress. In truth, it became a slaughterhouse masked as a lab. Prisoners, Chinese civilians, Russians, Koreans, even Allied soldiers were stripped of names and called Maruta, meaning logs. To their captors, they weren't people, just tools for twisted experiments. Inside, men, women, and children were infected with plague, anthrax, and cholera. Others were locked in pressure chambers until their eyes burst. In winter, victims were tied outside until their limbs froze solid, then struck with hammers to see how flesh shattered in the cold. Some were cut open alive, without anesthesia, just so scientists could watch infections spread in real time. Stories like this remind us why truth must never be buried. Like and subscribe, a Yahweh Stories for Tfor, to keep history's darkest corners from fading away. Ishii's team created plague bombs and tested them on entire villages. They dropped fleas carrying the Black Death over Chinese towns, killing tens of thousands. Every act was recorded as data, every scream labeled progress. When Japan surrendered in 1945, Ishii ordered everything destroyed. Witnesses were executed. The compound burned. But the greatest betrayal came after. The U.S. granted Ishii and his men immunity in exchange for their research. The same data born of agony became the foundation for post-war biological warfare studies. Today, the ruins still stand outside Harbin. Locals say no grass grows where blood once soaked the earth. Visitors feel the silence press against their skin as if the soil still remembers. Because the line between progress and horror is thinner than we think. Like and subscribe, a Yahweh Stories for Tfor. Before this kind of history repeats itself.